In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Open Daily Line in TradingView Pro. The Open Daily Line is a really helpful visual reference if you're an intraday trader or you just like to see where price is trading relative to the current day's open. It can help you quickly tell whether the market is currently trading above or below that level, which is often used as a simple bias or reference point. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to add it to your chart so it loads up every time you analyze the markets. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the indicators button. It is usually located near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search for any built-in tools, community scripts, or your favorite saved indicators. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can start typing. In the search field, type the phrase Open Daily Line. Give it a moment while TradingView loads the results. You should see an indicator or script that matches that name, or something very close, created either by TradingView or by a reputable community author. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, the Open Daily Line will be added to your chart automatically. Now take a look at your chart. You should see a horizontal line plotted at the current day's opening price. Depending on the exact version you choose, it might change color, extend across the entire day, or include labels. If you want to customize how it looks, hover over the indicator name in the chart's indicator list at the top. Click on the settings icon and adjust the color, style, and thickness so it stands out clearly against your background. If you are using TradingView Pro or considering upgrading, you'll find that having the Open Daily Line along with other indicators works much more smoothly, especially if you use multiple charts or a lot of overlays. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up for TradingView Pro. It supports the channel and usually gives you a nice discount or extended trial, depending on their current promotion. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps, add the Open Daily Line to your charts, and you'll have a clean, reliable reference for the daily open every time you trade.